I'm 21 years old and honestly I feel like I was at my last prayer of my life. While everyone around me is moving forward, getting skill, making money, building something, I was sitting in front of a screen telling myself one day my life will change. But it didn't. And honestly, I can't even blame anyone else. This video is probably one of the most honest thing I have ever made. When I started YouTube, I genuinely believed this would change my life. I watched creators become successful. I watched people build confidence, money, freedom, purpose, and I thought, why not me? So I started. But nobody tells you what happened when year pass but nothing changed. You know what failure actually feels like? It's not one big dramatic moment. It's waking up every day and realizing you are becoming someone you never wanted to become. You start lying to yourself. I will start tomorrow. I am young. I have time. Then suddenly, years disappears. I wasn't lazy. I wasn't lazy at all. I was addicted to consuming instead of building. A few weeks ago, I look at myself and realize nobody is coming to save me. Not my friends, not any motivation, not any magical opportunity. If my life changes, it has to be because I change. You know, there's a famous quote, nothing changes if nothing changes. So this video is different. This isn't me pretending I made it. This is me documenting the moment I stop wasting my life. I don't want to become famous anymore. I want to become respected by myself. So from today, I am rebuilding my life, my body, my discipline, my future, one video at a time. Maybe I am late, but I'd rather start at 20 than lost at 30. If you're also trying to rebuild your life, stay. We'll do it together.